Here we have the finest 2010 Toyota Tundra SR5 XSP. Very, very rare. 55,000 original miles. One owner. Clean Carfax. All original. Garage kept. Absolutely rust free. Gorgeous truck. XSP package. Over $6,000 in factory upgrades. 20-inch wheels, chrome steps, carbon fiber inside, black leather interior, embroidered seats, heavy-duty tow package. Truck is straight as an arrow. Shows absolutely beautifully. Never used for work. Absolutely gorgeous truck. As you can see, look down the side of this thing, is beautiful. Both sides, bumper's good, chrome is perfect. Got these beautiful XSP chrome steps. This beautiful leather interior, black. Excellent shape. The dash is in excellent shape. Look at this truck, is absolutely brand new, non-smoking. It's running. You have all these extra options. Carbon fiber is awesome. It's everywhere. Have that everywhere. Excellent storage. Headliner's immaculate. Here is the mileage, 55,191. Truck is beautiful. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. As for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. Thank you.